Hi, rKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV here in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this really nice condition 2006 Fleetwood Providence 39J. It's got full body paint. It's got a big Cat 350 motor on a Freightliner chassis. It's in really good shape. The interior's really nice. The furniture's great. Let's go have a look on the inside. Nice chrome mirrors. This is a big diesel pusher, so it's got a Cat 350 motor, lots of torque. This is a 2006. Look at these seats. They're leather seats built by Flex Steel. They're in great shape. They're really nice, you know, for a 2006. Look at the dash. It's a leather dash. It's flawless. It's in really good shape. You got driver fans. You can see that they updated the TV, the entertainment system. You have a nice Sony 40-inch flat screen TV right here with built-in speakers. Already has a DVD player installed. Very nice. As we move into the living room, you have a sectional sofa, and it's leather. You can see it's in really good shape. I don't see any tears on it. And then you have another sofa across, which folds into a bed. Very nice sofa. I don't see any wear and tear on this, so it's in really good shape. All hardwood cabinetry, very nice. For a 2006, this still looks pretty modern. It's very nice. You got really nice accents here. You got a vinyl soft roof. It really looks like it's in very good condition here, so very nice. As we move into the kitchen galley, you've got a very large microwave. It's over 1,000 watts, so it's very powerful. You got a gas stove with some attachments here. You also have a gas oven. It's a nice size oven, pretty large, lots of cabinet space, double sink, stainless steel, very deep, very nice. Looks very good. Lots of space. Nice solid surface countertops, and across you have a table with some fixed chairs. So it's kind of a hybrid of like a dinette and a table with chairs. So very nice feature here. As we move back, you've got an extra large freezer and refrigerator with ice maker. It's very large for an RV. And this is built by Norcold, so it operates on, you can dry camp, you can boondock using this refrigerator. You don't have to be plugged into electricity. This will run on propane gas or electricity. A very large residential style type freezer refrigerator, but it also runs on propane. You got a nice sized shower here with the glass door. Come have a look. And then across you also have the bathroom here. And finally, at the rear of the motorhome, you have the bedroom, of course. It's a queen size mattress. In this case, it's an air mattress with controls. Really nice features here. It's a very warm sense here. You got a little bit of cabinet space up above. You've got some shelves to lay down your iPhone. You've got some hookups there, electric outlets. What's unique about this, you also have a small sink here right at the foot of the bed, which is very convenient to brush your teeth, wash your face or whatever just before going to bed. You also have an old school style tube television here. You can easily replace that with a flat screen or keep it the way it is. Lots of closet space. You got nice mirrors. They're perfect. You even have some shelving over there. This is very, very nice. And then to add it, you have a washer-dryer combo. Built in, Very nice. It's a really popular brand. Very, very nice to have. So this RV, it's a 39-foot diesel pusher. It's a 2006 Fleetwood Providence. It's reasonably priced. It's in very good shape for a 2006. This motorhome is ready to roll for full-time living or traveling across the country or whatever it is that you want to do. Again, my name's rKavanaugh. Please ask for me. When you come to BISH'S, I'd be happy to show you this Providence or any other motorhome we have on the lot. Have a great day.